ध्यान करने से पहले हम एक बार ये करते हैं, हाथों को झाड़ते हैं अच्छे से। जो भी रजोगुण है हमारे भीतर, थोड़ा-सा बेचैनी है, रेस्टलेसनेस है, वो सब निकल जाएगा, हाथ झाड़ें। लेट अस शेक अवर हैंड्स before we sit in for meditation. Let's shake our hands. And let us shake our head also. Turn our neck left and right. गर्दन को भी घुमाइए दाहिने बाएं और आराम से बैठ जाएं. Stop shaking. हाथों को, गर्दन को हिलाना बंद कर देते हैं और आंखें बंद कर लेते हैं. एक गहरी सांस लें, रोकिए और छोड़ें. Become aware of your whole body. Become aware of the weight of your body. अपना वजन को याद कर ले. जो भी हमारा अपना वजन है, 60 किलो या 70 या 80, 90, 100 किलो, जो भी है. हम इस दुनिया में आए, कब आए वो भी याद कर लीजिए. अपना उम्र भी याद कर लीजिए. रिमेंबर योर एज, whatever it is, 60, 40, 50. These many years ago, we came into this planet weighing just 4 kilos. सिर्फ 4 किलो वजन के थे जिस दिन हम इस दुनिया में आए. अब हम 60, 70, 80, 90 किलो वजन के हो गए. आंखें बंद रखें, अपने वजन को ही याद करें. अब आप अपने वजन को उस कुर्सी पे या सोफे में, ज़मीन में, जहाँ पर भी आप हो, वो उसके ऊपर रख दीजिएगा. The weight of your body, you place it on the chair or on the sofa, on the floor, wherever you are sitting. Rather, just remember or become aware that the chair is carrying the weight of your body. Now let us place our attention on our own body for a few minutes. Our body has billions and trillions of cells. अरबों करबों अणु परमाणुओं से बना है हमारा अपना शरीर. इस शरीर को मन ही मन सम्मान करें. Honor your own body. It's a precious gift to you from nature, from God. Your body is a precious gift to you. Honor your own body. Relax your shoulders. Take your attention to your feet. And then bring your mind to your knees, your thighs, and slowly have your mind pass through, scan through your own body. Let your mind move through both the thighs, hips, stomach, chest, the shoulders and arms. Relax your face and your head. Now we are going to keep our body still for just 3 minutes. Keeping your body still for 3 minutes is what we are going to do now. The only movement being that of the breath. Your body is still. Now let's become aware of the second dimension, the breath. This body has zero value the moment breath stops. The breath is going in and out continuously from the time we are born to the last minute of our existence. Let us become familiar with our own breath. Take a deep breath in, गहरी सांस लीजिए और छोड़ दीजिए. Relax and let go. Incoming breath energizes the body and outgoing breath brings relaxation. This is happening all the time. सांस लेते वक्त शरीर को बल प्रदान करती है, वही सांस निकलते वक्त शरीर को विश्राम दिला देती है. सांस लेते जाए, छोड़ते जाए, शरीर को और ढीला छोड़ते जाए. आंखें बंद रहने दीजिए. Keep your eyes closed. Become aware of air all around you and inside of you. As you breathe in and breathe out, notice the air all around you and within you. Like fish in the water, we are in air. Let us honor our own breath. Another deep breath in and relax as you breathe out. Let's move on to the third dimension, the mind. Our body is like the wick of a candle. The mind is like the glow all around it. शरीर बाती है तो मन ज्योति है. मन के भीतर शरीर है. शरीर के चारों ओर भीतर मन का मौजूदगी है. Now, whatever thoughts are coming in the mind, just let them come. Good thoughts or bad thoughts, pleasant or unpleasant, let them all be. As the body relaxes, the mind expands, and as you become aware of the space in your entire room, your body starts relaxing. Let us become aware of the space in the place where we are sitting. The volume of the place you are in. Another deep breath in, hold the breath and let go. शरीर में कहीं पर भी कोई तनाव हो उसको रहने दें, उसको हटाने की चेष्टा न करें। न विचारों को रोकना है न ठोकना है। इस वक्त जो जैसा है वैसे रहने देते। This moment, just let things be. Any pleasant or unpleasant sensation anywhere in the body, just let it be. Any discomfort, just let it be. Let's keep a smile on our face. As you smile, all the muscles and tissues in your face starts relaxing, expanding, blossoming. Keep a smile on your face and give deep relaxation to the muscles of your face. You may feel some tension somewhere in the head or back of the head or some part of the body. Just let it be. Another deep breath in and let go. Allow the smile to percolate through the cells of the brain and to the back of the head. चेहरे का मुस्कान को भीतर धीरे धीरे उतरने दे। मस्तिष्क के पिछला भाग भी विश्राम में जा रहा है इस वक्त। Let go of all your efforts. सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दे, विश्राम करें। इस वक्त शरीर स्थिर है, सांस धीमी चल रही है, मन शांत हुआ जा रहा है। Let it be. Become aware of 5 feet of space on either side of your body. शरीर के दोनों तरफ 5 फुट दूरी तक की जगह को स्मरण करें। Keep your mind in this area. Let the mind expand both sides of your body and occupy 5 feet of space in your attention. Relax and let go. अब सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दे और विश्राम कर दे। Now relax and let go. Let the thoughts come. They come and go like the clouds in the sky. But you are the blue sky. विचारों को आने दे, जाने दे। आप विश्राम करें। जो जैसा है वैसे ही रहे इस वक्त। Embrace all the thoughts, whatever is coming in. And any tension anywhere in the body you feel at this moment, embrace them, let it be. They dissolve, disappear in your own embrace. ना कुछ करना है इस वक्त, ना ही कुछ जानना है। This moment there is nothing to do and nothing to know either. Just let go, wanting to know, and relax and repose in yourself. अपने आप में विश्राम करें। इस वक्त न करने के लिए कुछ है, न जानने के लिए, केवल विश्राम, अपने आप में विश्राम। लोका समस्ता सुखिनो भवन्तु। शांति शांति शांति। एक गहरी सांस लीजिए और धीरे धीरे छोड़ें। Become aware of your body and surroundings. Take another deep breath in, hold the breath, and as you breathe out, relax your shoulders. And slowly and gradually you may open your eyes. धीरे से आप आंखें खोल सकते हो।